Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, you got your tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a Bedliner on this vehicle, which is always pretty handy. Mud flaps on the rear and front. Gripped running boards on either side with a keyless entry keypad. We do get blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated, and side view camera. Moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector with front park sensing, recovery hooks, the license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt with floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, B&O sound system, and we can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat, powered passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got power folding mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers, tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 24 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get My View, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our collapsible gear select, storage cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, and it does close. Your center console with tons of storage. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, not trailer brake, low coin slot, pro trailer assist, heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash, with a nice powered rear window opener. We do got our garage door transmitter, auto stop, auto start with Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, navigation, search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD62830, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.